Hello my YouTube fans, welcome to Selvin and Family Kitchen. So today we're going to do steamed cabbage with fried dumpling. And we have Marissa here as usual. Hi! Come there, so we have the cabbage over there. And Marissa going to wash it in a minute.
I just eat the carrots.
Marissa just stealing the carrot.
Yeah.
And we have a grate of carrot here. And
here, then next one.
Marissa is stealing the carrot. We have some broccoli over here.
That's enough.
Chopped onion, green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, spring onion, garlic.
It tastes nice, but it tastes a little bit spicy. But that's fine. It's not spicing me up.
And we have some all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, salt.
Salt they have.
Marissa, why are you eating off my carrot?
I just eating a little bit.
Is it a little bit?
Mm-hmm.
So you want to wash the cabbage now?
Yep.
All right, turn on the pipe for you. Marissa, that's washing the cabbage.
This is what in my dream. I have that dream washing the cabbage.
That's like your dream,
Yeah.
washing the cabbage.
Yes.
All right, we do it like that. Wash it like that.
Daddy.
So get down your hand down in it.
Daddy, just run it there.
Don't worry about that. Let's get it down, get on your hand in it.
Let me wash.
Yeah. Turn them over like that. Hello people, just have the pot on the fire. It's getting warm. So it's gonna put in a little bit of oil in it. You don't want too much oil in the cabbage, so just gonna put a little bit of oil in it. And then I'm gonna quickly chuck in my garlic. Then I'm gonna put in my onion. A little bit more oil. Now we're gonna put in the green pepper, the red pepper, the yellow pepper, and the spring onion. Look at that color, people. The color is beautiful. Now I'm gonna chuck in some carrots. Everybody have their own way to steam cabbage. There's a lot of different ways to do it, but this is my way to do it. What kind of beautiful color we're looking at. Gonna put in a teaspoon of all-purpose. Half a teaspoon of black, no, this, not half, just a little bit of black pepper, don't want too much. A little bit more oil. I can smell that flavor coming up. Oh, look at that. Well, we're going to put in the tomato. And that people, that beautiful rich color there. So now we're going for the cabbage. Just want to mix it all up, get that color, the cabbage, the spring onion, the tomato, everything does come alive in it. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe to the channel and make a comment and share the video and hit that bell so when I post another video you will get it. So we're just gonna add in a little bit of salt in it, and half a teaspoon of salt. No, maybe less. Just gonna add a little salt in it. So remember, so this is steamed cabbage. We don't want the fire too high, so we need to turn it down very low. Put on the lid on it, give it around 5 minutes. Look at that, people. You don't want to cook your cabbage too long because it will get soft. You don't want your cabbage too soft. You want it a little bit crunchy. So now I'm just going to add in my batter. Oops, one tried to escape. And leave that for another 3 minutes. Yes, this is ready to come off now. And that nice and crunchy. So you don't want your cabbage too soft. Steamed cabbage can do a lot of way. Everybody have no one way to do it. Now I'm doing it with no fish, no corned beef, no nothing in it. I'm just doing it Ital way. So more time we're doing steamed cabbage, we put in a little bit of saltfish, and sometimes we steam cabbage and corned beef, steamed cabbage can do a lot of way. So next time I'm going to show you how we're going to do steamed cabbage with saltfish. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe to the channel, to that video, and share the video, make a comment, and put on your notification button so when I post the next video, you will get it. So this is ready to come off of the pot now. It's ready. It's all done. Guys, this is it. The steamed cabbage with fried dumpling. No meat, no fish. So that's the steamed cabbage with fried dumpling. A lot of people have different ways to this steamed cabbage. You have a lot of ways you can do it. You can do it with fish, you can do it with corned beef, you can do it with a lot of other stuff. So if you want to see me do more steamed cabbage, subscribe to my channel if you're new over here, and make a thumbs up, put a notification, hit that bell, so when I post another video you will get it, and share the video around. So this is the steamed cabbage with fried dumpling.